Hello everyone! Let's make some makeup accessories today. First I am drawing a lipstick. I have drawn two lines. Now I am drawing its second portion. And this is the lipstick. Now I will draw a brush. This is the handle of the brush. Draw two straight lines. I have drawn a mascara brush. Let's draw a mirror. I'm drawing an oval shape. Draw its handles. Now I am drawing another oval shape. This is another beautiful brush. It's the handle. Here we go. This is the brush. Let's make it magical by adding some beautiful colors. This is red color. Now I am using orange color. This is pink color. Which color is yours favorite? Mine is pink. I like it very much. Now I am using blue color. Color it orange. Let's color the handle orange. This is purple color. Now I will use yellow color. This is blue color. Green color. Wow, our makeup accessories are looking very beautiful. Do you like them? If yes, do press the like button.